I'm traveling to the US today. So I have a client over there who is interested in doing Airbnb here in Jamaica. So I am going up to meet him, have a discussion with him, go over some stuff with him, of course. And so basically it's a work trip. And in addition to that, I also have another client who I'm doing some interior designing for. And I'm going up to pick out some pieces for that. So as I've been saying time and time again that, you know, investing in Jamaica is a really great idea. Airbnb is skyrocketing, you know. You want a free property, just be qualified for your mortgage, get the property and let somebody else pay for it. Look at it. Just sit on your porch, put your foot up, collect that money, pay off your mortgage, and it's of no expense to you. Somebody else is footing all of that. So you want to build generational wealth? That's how you do it. That is how you build generational wealth, through real estate. All right? So with my client abroad, he has been up there for many years. And he called me and he said, Liz, I realized that a lot of properties are, you know, being sold in the US, in Jamaica, a lot of developments coming on. And he said to me, he said, what do you think about an Airbnb? Because he also have a friend that doing Airbnb here in Jamaica. And the friend is saying to him that, listen, I bought the property and the property is paying off for itself. You understand me? It is of no expense to him. So he's saying, Liz, why not get a piece of that? I want a piece of that. So listen, come talk to me. Let us go over it and basically work it out. Because I want to invest back in Jamaica and I want a piece of that pie. So I'm just saying, guys, this is your opportunity to be a part of something bigger. Real estate in Jamaica. Airbnb. Listen. You cannot go wrong with Airbnb. You can't. How can you go wrong with investing? Listen, a lot of us here in Jamaica, we grew up where our family or our parents paying rent, we come pay rent and all of that. And then it's just a cycle, you know? Nothing is there. I'm just saying, you can break that cycle. There are more opportunities now than before. You can break that cycle. Get a mortgage. Get a property. Let Airbnb pay for it. Why don't you do that? Get rich. In other words, you have your children. Now you can write a will and say, okay, then the property up in Havendale belongs to Tom. The one over at Island Close, that one belongs to Mary. So you see, Mary and Tom not to fight over the rent house anymore. You understand what I'm saying to you? Build generational wealth. Get qualified for your mortgage. Invest in a property. Let the property pay for itself. And look at that. Now you have wealth right there. Now you have, look at it this way. You get a mortgage. Your mortgage pay for the property. Now you can say, oh, you know, I'm a millionaire because my net worth is so and so because I have all these properties that are of high value. So how can you go wrong? How can you go wrong? Listen, guys, I'm running late because I should have been out here a long time ago. The driver is also waiting on me outside for the past half an hour. But listen, I couldn't leave without saying to you guys that I want to take you on this journey. I want you to be a part of it. Run with me, run with me, run with me. Run with me, run with me. Bye. Listen, mwah, love you guys. Bye.